Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to block someone in your Vivo Y12s. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you want to block someone from your in your phone. For example, if someone is going to be call you, you don't want to receive any incoming call from those person. In order to do that, for example, if I go here in dial pad, I'm to see there is a recent all call. For example, I decide to block this number. So what you have to do is to just long press, and then we're going to see there is saying block report spam. We're going to click here block report spam, and then we're going to see there is this thing going to appear. I'm not going to report call as spam. I'm just going to keep it is in my block list. You can see if this person is going to be call me, I'm not going to receive any call or any SMS. Now, for example, you are in contact and you want to choose from your contact list. So let me try to find out the contact, and this is the contact list. Now you can say I'm in the contact list, and for example I decide to block this number. So you have to open this number and click this three icon, and then you can easily click here block number, and you can also uncheck this report as spam, and you can make here block. So from now, if this person is going to be call me or sending me any SMS, I'm not going to receive. Now you might be decide to unblock those person that you had previously blocked. So in order to do that, you click again here in dial section, and then click this three icon, and then click here setting. After click over setting, we're going to see the block number, and then we're going to see all the block number list going to be appear. Also, you can add more block number from here, and we're going to see the phone number. You can type the phone number, but I'm just not going to do that. Now you might be decide to unblock them. For example, I would like to decide to unblock this 1411, and it's going to be a pop-up. You need to click here unblock. Also, if I want to decide unblock 123, you can do that. Also, there's another one interesting things you can also make here: unknown block calls from individual callers. You can also make this on. So this is how you can easily block or unblock someone in your Vivo Y12s. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.